Ladies and gentlemen, my video will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called SkullLocker. SkullLocker is a ransomware that encrypts files and damages them considerably. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this SkullLocker ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. Then very soon users realize that something bad has taken place with their files and that they cannot access their data anymore. This SkullLocker ransomware encrypts files, and of course it damages the files essentially. So then, because of the ransomware attack, it's not possible to use the files anymore. After the files get encrypted, the ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea, because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money without getting the data recovered. Speaking about the extension that is appended to the file names, it is Skull. But removing this extension manually does not fix the issue. As you see, this ransomware message is presented in Polish, I guess. No matter what language it is presented in, you should not pay that ransom. There is no guarantee that your data would be restored. Now, I recommend that you carefully remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware tool. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. So download it, install it, and then start examining the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program begins researching and investigating your computer. First of all, however, it should update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucially important for proper detection of any malware. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner, though, does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from being damaged in the future. Anyway, you should wait a little bit until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact location. Consider premium license. This is the best solution to protect your data from further ransomware attacks.